So here we are, new year. Time to get the bonsais out of the dirt. Kind of hard to see in there, but they're all healed in up to the top of the pot. And this is the section I'm gonna hopefully put some monkey poles back here, a new section for development. Time to dig them out. Just me wrangling the kids a bit. And put this fence around because I get moles. Well, kids in the soccer balls and whatnot, but also voles that I had in there. And they sort of chewed up a bunch one year. And I decided to, I want to make my display area like more of a display area just versus benches. And so I use 2 benches here instead of 3, just to clean it up, just not to clutter it as much.
About a week later, just got a few trees up. I'm gonna put some monkey poles over here and a bunch sort of down there. This is a whole new cleared area, grassing it right now. So I only put the 2. Normally I put the 3 benches in it. These are a little high. I'd love to bring them down about this much each bench. And maybe this one even a little more so that the bigger trees don't get in the way of the smaller trees. But yeah, the trees they're looking really nice. This is a new larch I just transplanted, new container. I spray painted the cement, so that's why it's like darker, and I really like how it turned out. A larch repot. Got a video of that if I haven't already showed it. This one I'm gonna put in a new pot. I collected and put it right into this container. It happened to be big enough, and so it's too chunky for the tree. So this one's actually going to get a repot in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, lots of trees. And I got a bunch of monkey poles, so to set up over here. Once I get them, probably a month or so, I get them really nice looking. I'll put them in I'll do like a spring show. Subalpine fir. This is Shimpaku juniper. I'm gonna style this up. This hasn't been styled for a while, and so it's really getting shaggy. And yeah, it's just way overgrown, but I'm really excited. But that's gonna be a nice piece of work. This bird's nest spruce. Just plan to reduce it a bunch this spring. This raft, this little subalpine fir raft, and it's got all of these interior buds. It's got all just wax of them. So I'm really curious to see how when you look at something like that, and that's just so many buds. So I'll probably, we'll see. I'll have to figure out a design for it, right? And so. Hedge, like a thuya hedge that I turned into. That one's looking good. Yeah, a bunch of trees that need work.